Synthesia AI video tutorial and review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything that you need to know about Synthesia, how you can get started, and is it actually worth it? Now we all know how a lot of AI tools are taking the world over with a storm because of how powerful and amazing they are. And one of those tools is actually Synthesia. Now Synthesia is an amazing tool, but it has some limitations. It has its own pros and cons. So let's take a look at some of its features, starting off with video creation. This includes a AI screen recorder, AI video editor, brand kits, and media libraries. They have localization with one-click translations, AI video dubbing, closed captions, and review workflows. They have workspaces, live collaboration, commenting, and version control for all of their collaboration features, and they have access to over 230 AI avatars. There are personal avatars as well as selfie avatars that can be created. So selfies can be a really amazing way for you to build UGC content, and this is just going to be a really, nice experience when you're looking to make something a bit more organic, when you're trying to build something that feels more personalized. So if you are looking to, create these kinds of videos, then Synthesia does have quite a variety of offers. However, Synthesia is something that you need to book a demo for. So you have a 30-minute Synthesia demo that you can help get access to, and this just allows you to learn about pricing, learn about the platform, and all of the different features in more detail. They also support over 140 languages. So you guys can see, you can select the language and then search in between 140 languages. They also have this language list, which is displayed, so you can choose whichever language you want and then convert it into that language. So this is Spanish. If I change this to French, then this would be French, like so, and it's processing the lip sync. It adjusts the lip sync obviously accordingly to how the language is going to be spoken. Now, they also have video players with a multilingual player interactivity. Now, interactivity is a very new feature where you can add clickable call to actions, quizzes, and branching paths to your videos. So viewers can stay engaged and watch till the end and take the actions that you want. So you guys can see this makes your videos more entertaining and more interesting, especially when you're building interactive videos for tutorials. So you guys can see they have their own interactive video experience. You can see that within these interactive videos, you can add them for call to actions or even build them for training content. This is going to be a really easy way to build some engaging content for your employees as well. Not only that, they have analytics as well as video embeds and a Scrum export. So you can use this for multiple different solutions, whether it's learning development, sales establishment, marketing, business operations, knowledge management, or IT and cybersecurity. Now, this just goes down to your personal preference on whatever you're looking to do with Synthesia. Now, to get started with Synthesia, all you have to do is go on to synthesia.io. When you're getting started and you're not sure if you want to actually get started and purchase the platform, you can click on Book a Demo. Once you do that, you're going to enter your full name like this, and then your email address like so, and then you do need to use your business email. Once you do that, you're going to enter your phone number, and then after that, you're going to enter your job title and then click on continue. Once you do that, you're going to add what department you're in, as well as what is your video use case. Let's say it's training videos, and then we want to add where we heard about Synthesia. Once we do that, we're going to verify we are not a robot and confirm the terms of service. Then we're going to book our demo, and just like so, they're going to be in touch. This is usually going to take under 24 hours for you to hear a response back from Synthesia, and this is just, for you to get started. Now, in the meanwhile, while you are still exploring Synthesia, you can actually create a video for free. If you go into synthesia.io, you can click on Create Free AI Video. Once you do that, this will lead you to the bottom section. This is their free AI video generator. This includes 3 types of avatars. We have Alex, then we have Compliment, then we have the sales pitch. So let's say I want to go with Alex over here. Once we do that, we can input our prompt. Now on the left, you can edit your video script in any language. So I'm going to type in my prompt. Now, whenever you're entering your prompt within Synthesia, it's going to be slightly different when you're using their AI video generator. The reason for this is that this particular video generator is not going to create the avatar for you. It's not going to, synthesize the video for you. Instead, you only enter your video script. So whatever I want Alex Alex to say, I'm going to type this over here. Let's say I want to write hi, or I want to write, did you know that the best makeup is actually makeup that you cannot see? Here are my top picks for the best skin-like makeup. And then after that, I can add my script. So number 1, I want her to say all of this. So number 1 is the Lumi Matte Liquid Foundation, like so. Now, once I've done this, you guys can see that this is my script. It's a pretty short script. I still do have 29 characters left, but I'm going to proceed. And then I'm going to click on Create Free AI Video. Now, you're going to enter your name over here and then your work email, kaiko@lilydavis.site. And then we're going to add where we heard about this platform. And then we're going to verify that we are not a robot, confirm that we have read all of the terms and conditions, and now it is processing my submission. Keep in mind that political content is not going to be created. Now, once done, you're going to go into your mailbox. So I'm just going to quickly open up my mailbox over here. And I'm going to go into my mail, which I should have over here in my admin console somewhere. And I'm just going to open up my mailbox. For that, I'm gonna log on to my account, like so. And once I've logged onto my account, I can proceed with my video. Now, keep in mind, this can take a little bit of time. Your video is going to be coming via mail, and it's going to take some time to process, so you might have to wait. Now, you might say, hey, what is the full price of using Synthesia and unlocking all of its amazing features? Well, if you want to unlock all of its amazing features, you can go into the pricing section under Synthesia. Now, Synthesia currently is offering discounts, and you will see that plans start from $18 per month. However, this is on yearly billing. If you choose to pay monthly, plans start at $29. The creator plan is $89, and then they have enterprise pricing. Now, on the starter plan, you get to download your videos, AI video assistance, as well as 140 languages, and you don't have any logos. This includes 1 editor and 3 guests, and then you can create 10 minutes of video per month. You have access to over 125 Synthesia AI avatars. Then when it comes to the creator plan, it has 5 personal avatars, video dubbing, interactive videos, and 30 minutes of video per month. Now, would I recommend this? Now, Synthesia is honestly one of the more steeper priced platforms out there. Synthesia is pretty expensive when it comes to the long run, especially if you're looking to create a bunch of content. So enterprise plans are better if you're going to find a solution for your content building. However, if you're only looking to build some AI avatars and AI avatar content, there are some cheaper alternatives like Midjourney, VO3, 11 Labs, and many others. So if your use case is only going to be fulfilled by Synthesia, then this platform is pretty decent. So if you're building tutorials, video dubbing, and you're looking for interactive videos, then you can opt for maybe a creator plan. But if you're opting only because of the video creation, I would say that you should look around for alternatives and then make your decision. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Synthesia. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.